Okay, guys, good morning and welcome to a market update with the London Trading Institute and Andy Demi. I hope you had a nice weekend. I hope you did something fun. I spent a lot of it with my kids. However, for football fans, you would have known on Sunday there was a big game. And my team, Liverpool, we won. So I am very happy today. And it just helped when the alarm went off at 4:45 this morning. I had a bit more of a spring in my step, let's say, getting up in London where it was absolutely freezing, raining and dark. That bit was not so much fun. However, I got up. I've been going through the markets all morning. It's a quiet day today, so we've got a few bank holidays. So we've got Veterans Day, so the US is closed. We've got a bank holiday in Canada. We've got a bank holiday in France. So it's a Monday. So the markets are generally going to be fairly timid and quiet. Unlikely that we're going to get any kind of significant moves today. However, it is a great day to go through and prepare for the week. And also the other thing that it's very good for is actually to take trades that are basically, range trades, fading resistance, fading support. In this kind of environment, it's perfect. So that's what I've been doing this morning, and mainly really preparing for the week. But I do have a setup. I've got a few that are actually on my watch list, but the one I was going to talk to you guys about today is the Aussie dollar, to give you some of my thought process on that. Now, before I go and show you that chart, it's also important to note that we did have GDP out from the UK this morning, and the number was good as expected. So the sterling has rallied a little bit this morning. It's just over the 120 handle right now, but nothing really significant there. I don't really see any major trading opportunities right now. I think we're going to look for either a confirmation of the resumption of the retracement down, or we're going to look for a nice value area to sell it a little bit higher. But right now where it is, I'm not really that interested. But let's see. There's a lot going on, obviously, in the UK. So I want to share this my idea on the Aussie dollar, because I think it will be quite useful for you to learn, the different types of trade. So I've got one idea, which is a swing trade, and then I've got another idea, which is a day trade. Okay, so let me show you that now on the chart. Okay, so here we are. This is the Aussie dollar daily chart, and what I can see here is that this has basically hit the top of this channel, and I'm expecting the sellers to basically continue to sell this off now. And I basically got a target down here in the long term in terms of as a swing trade, 67.75. I do like this kind of zone here. I think it's a very reactive zone, and I do think that this is a good area to target if you're looking for a swing trade. Now, if you go over to the lower time frames, then I quite like this zone up here as a potential sell zone. Okay, it's a good reaction area, and could create a swing there. It's low volatility today because of the different bank holidays, so I'm just hoping for a sort of small grind up towards this area here. Now, these areas here are our automated hourly levels, okay? And here's what I'm looking at. So the market has basically reacted here as resistance. Now, what I'm basically thinking here is that this market may push through this, and then there's two things that I'm looking for. So as this basically falls in line into my zone here, my first sell order for the swing trade lower is going to be here, and then I'm also looking to go a little bit high just in case it has a bigger move up. However, I'm also looking now for a short-term scalp. And I basically like the idea of selling it at 68.75 and basically targeting there 68.65. So about 10 pips if you get in at the first entry, or you could basically go in at the second entry up here and then still look for the same target, or you could go for this target. But I'm basically looking for this to this, and I'm basically looking for a potential second order here, again targeting either here or here, depending on the time of day. So if it's towards the end of the day, I would actually basically go for this as both my targets. This one would be a break-even trade. This one will end up making me my income for the day. Okay, guys, I hope that helps. Wishing you a great day and good trading, and I'll be with you again tomorrow with another trade idea. Enjoy, guys. Take care and have an awesome day. Good trading, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.